Hello everyone, it's Seeking Jess and I hope you're doing amazing. Thank you so much for joining me today again. Today I would like to speak about what I eat in a usual day when I work out. So maybe you know already, I work out a lot. I really love fitness. I enjoy doing many different things, mainly like weights, but I also like, for example, Pilates or a little bit of yoga, a little bit of cardio like running. I like to just be fit and be active. That's the word I was looking for, being active. Before I get into my diet, I want to also mention that my diet is anything than perfect. Yes, I study nutrition, but I also like to try many different things, see what works best for me. And I also notice that when I restrict myself too much, I end up not being happy, end up eating even more of unhealthy food. So I just like to, incorporate some maybe unhealthy foods here and there. That's just a disclaimer before I get into the video. But yeah, as for breakfast, if you follow me, you know I love oatmeal so much. I think oatmeal is great. It's so diverse. It can be prepared in so many different ways. You can make it literally taste like either way chocolate pudding or vanilla pudding, or some cinnamon Christmassy thing, or just top it with fruit and you're good to go. Like, it's amazing. Oatmeal, why? It gives me the energy. It's complex carbs, which is very, very good for you. Oats have many different benefits for your body. They keep you fuller for longer. So for example, if you are looking into losing weight, which can be, a possibility, having oats in the morning is great because they will keep you fuller for longer and you don't end up snacking in between. So the oats that I usually eat in the morning are almost always topped with banana. I like to just get my oats, put in a banana, maybe mix some maca powder or some other superfood powder in there, maybe some cinnamon. I put it in the microwave so it gets warm and mushy. I really love that texture. Also because the banana gets heated up and releases the little bit of, more sweetness. I top it, as you can see, with berries or many other fruits. I really like to use hemp seeds as well because they're a very good source of omega-3. Do not forget to consume omega-3 on a daily basis, if it's through flax seeds, grounded flax seeds, or as I said, hemp seeds or walnuts. It's very important to get those in. So I do that, and then I put also a little bit of maybe a nut butter, like almond butter or peanut butter, whatever I have, or maybe tahini. I really, really love nut butters and tahinis. I am obsessed with that. I used to love Nutella, and now this is my biggest obsession, and I really need to, someone needs to take that take that spoon away from me, because I will not stop eating it. But anyways, and as for lunch, I really wanted to have a simple and quick lunch because I was very busy, and when I work, I do not want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. Even though I really enjoy cooking, sometimes I'm just like, can I just get something quick? So as you can see, it's literally a lot of greens. I put some avocado in there, tomato, chickpeas for the proteins, cucumber as well, and I sprinkled it with a little bit of lemon juice and tahini. What else? And then I put maybe, did I mention that I put avocado in there? If not, now you know. And I just really, really enjoy that kind of simple stuff. It keeps me full for, I would say, 2-3 hours. I eat a lot, so even if I eat a huge thing like this, I'm still gonna be hungry in a few hours, but that's just me. Also because I didn't put any carbs in there, to be honest, but I felt it was very satisfying because I really liked the tahini and the lemon taste in my salad. So that's basically what I had. And then for dinner, why I said disclaimer, I don't always eat very healthy. I really wanted to try this fish burger, which I found in a supermarket, and my mom told me that you have to try this, kid, because it just tastes like fish. And I haven't had fish in since I'm vegan, so it's been a long time. And I have to say, I really enjoyed the taste of fish, so I got excited. And as you can see, it's like this kind of patties, which maybe are not the healthiest, but to be honest, the ingredients weren't that bad as I expected. So I was kind of okay with eating this. Again, I don't eat this every day. I eat this maybe once or twice a week, max. Usually my diet is pretty plant-based. But I want to show you that I also indulge and like to try new stuff because it's important as a vegan to try new stuff. I used a little bit of vegetables in there, frozen vegetables. I put in a pan. Well, actually my mom was doing everything. I was recording. So frozen vegetables, very easy. It was super quick. Again, my mom was hungry. I was hungry. I was like, I don't have time to cook. She didn't want to cook as well. So all I did was frozen vegetables. I put some, you know, rucola. I don't know if you say it in English. If not, then I'm sorry about that. But some greens on the vegetables. And I put some vegan mayonnaise on the fish burger. And oh my God, I was like, this is fish, what I'm eating, because it was really, really good. No idea how they imitated the taste. Maybe I don't even want to know, but it was really, really good. So only recommended if, you know, maybe once a month you feel like having fish and you feel like unhealthy dinner or lunch is okay for you, have this, because I loved it. Depends, of course, where you're from. I found it in Germany in a supermarket, so first time ever trying this, and definitely going to purchase it once in a while when I really feel like having fish. And besides that, what I snacked on throughout the day was some carrot juice. Really, really love carrot juice, pure carrot juice, which is of course organic. Then, because I told you, I'm a sucker for almond butter. I had a few spoons of this 100% almond butter, which is also organic and definitely the best brand I've ever tasted. It's so, so good, so smooth, and literally only almonds. No idea how they do that, but it's amazing. And I had some dried fruits as well, dried prunes actually, which are from Poland, as you can see, and I had maybe like 4 or 5 of those. And I also didn't record, I had 2 apples throughout the day as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And maybe a coffee or 2 coffees I had as well, because I love coffee, especially if I work the whole day or if I study the whole day. I need my coffee. I just really enjoy the taste of it. I don't need to drink it maybe for the energy, but I really enjoy the taste, and it gives me at least a better mood throughout the day. So yeah, that was everything that I eat in a day. I like to have an easy lifestyle. I don't like to force myself or, you know, constantly be stressed about not eating a 100% healthy diet. I just really enjoy life, or try to enjoy life with both, with, you know, having the best of both worlds. So yeah, that was it. Let me know if you have ever tried any fish burger before that, you know, has tasted that amazing. If you like puppies, give me a thumbs up. I really love the shirt. Thanks, Mom. And if you'd like to see more vegan inspiration, go and check me out on Instagram. I would love to connect with you guys. I really love talking to you on there. Already made a lot of great friendships through Instagram, so let me know. I would like to talk to you. And yeah, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.